So in this video I'm going to show you the quick fix to a pull cord problem on this older Briggs Stratton 8 horsepower engine and generator. And what happens is, here's the pull cord case here. So it looks like. And I think this was called an automatic pull cord. So you have the pull cord mechanism here, and then over here you have this kind of bicycle mechanism right there, and it's just behind this little case, this little screen here, like that. So to get to it, you just remove using a 7/16 socket or wrench. It's a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt there, the bottom, another one on the other side, right there. And then this is what you see, and then you remove using a 1/4-inch socket or wrench. You remove these tiny little screws that go on here, this screen, and then you have to be really careful in this part, because once you remove this, these little steel balls, mine are bigger, these little steel balls will fall out, and there's 5 of them, so just be very careful before removing this. Usually what happens is, over time, they'll freeze or seize up over there, as you can see. So these 6 of them, 3 of them just fell off, and these 3 are seized. And it's funny that I was pulling, and it was pulling just fine, and then next pull there's nothing. So it's just out of the blue will happen. So all you got to do is clean these up a bit, and I don't think you can put grease on them because they have to fall back for this to work. If it seizes like this, it might not work. So if you put a bunch of grease in it, it might just keep it in place like that, get it stuck, and it won't work. Maybe just some light surface grease, that might do it. But if you just clean it up, maybe put some oil or some light surface grease just right on the surface, just your finger, not big blobs of it, and that's how you fix it.